for the one time. It's a whole nother beast when I put the tune on, man. It's junk crazy. Wow. Sir, we got just having a little fun, man. But what's good, YouTube? Thank y'all for tuning in the video. To everybody who subscribed to me, I want to say thank you. And to the ones who returned, I just want to say thank you too. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. This video, we just gonna do a little POV of me, just, you know what I'm saying, have a little fun. It got a little late on me, man. I was tired earlier, so I went to sleep. You know what I'm saying? I just really woke up. God dang. I woke up like an hour ago, but it's 6, so now it's about to be some, I think. Yeah, it's finna be some, so it's late. But I'm still just gonna ride around a little city real quick, man. Got a little fun. Heck yeah, man. But yeah, the channel been going up, man, and I'm paying attention to it. I think this channel, I'm not gonna say I think. I know this channel is gonna be bigger than ever. Like, my whole reasoning was to get this car, you know what I'm saying, and mess with the YouTube. I knew for a fact that this was gonna be big on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? And to the ones who be showing love, I just want to say thank y'all, man, because y'all don't have to do it. Because y'all don't have to do it. So I want to thank y'all for that, man. Y'all keep going stupid for me. Keep going crazy. Keep going crazy. You feel me? And I'm going to keep doing my thing and make sure I drop new content for y'all. These guys, like, they got getting it, man. I ain't even really doing nothing. Gotta see it to believe it. See it to believe it. Yeah, man. God bless with this car, man. It's hard to find these nowadays, man. It's hard to find these. These cars are rare right now. You feel me? feel like I need another exhaust hanger, man. I feel like I need another exhaust hanger on here. My pipes be goddamn vibrating like a mug, boy. Yeah, man. Y'all got any kind of sport car, man, I recommend a pedal box. The pedal box really hard. I slick want to buy a pedal commander too, so I can test it out. Heck yeah, though, man. I hope y'all freak with this video. Go crazy in the comment section. Go crazy in the comment section for me. See some. I had to set the phone down, man. I'm finna do a little burnout. That shit right, that didn't go as planned. I had to stop, but a car started coming. That's all the fun I'm finna get. How long did 8 minutes? I could make this video into some. Oh! Damn, but that was a deep bad curve. But heck yeah, though, man. I'm gonna catch y'all in another video, man. I'm gonna see y'all, man. Y'all man. I love y'all, man. Appreciate y'all for showing love, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, goddamn. Appreciate y'all.